50th Chief Justice of India and one of the world's most distinguished jurists, Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, emphasized that the country's youth must pay special attention to their health and nutrition. Dr. Chandrachud shared this message while interacting with the young journalists at the Dynamite News headquarters in New Delhi on Tuesday. Dr. Chandrachud said that the youth will be able to serve the nation with complete dedication only when they are healthy.
Though you are a young team, you spend hours and days without any rest in search of the truth as the working force of Dynamite. Look after your health. Give yourself enough time to do even 20 minutes of exercise. Meditate for even 10 minutes in a day. Even when you sit, you can do basic exercises, which will ensure that you are happy, fulfilled in body and mind. You may have today the minds and the bodies of 20-year-olds, but you must continue to have that when you turn a healthy 66 as well.
As soon as the former Chief Justice of India entered the newsroom, the editorial team greeted him with enthusiastic applause. As the day also marked Dr. Chandrachud's 66th birthday, the editorial team quickly arranged a cake and celebrated his birthday in a simple yet warm manner. The Dynamite News team also screened a short documentary film on Dr. Chandrachud, elegantly portraying his childhood, education, family life, judicial journey, historic verdicts, and humane side. After watching the film, Dr. Chandrachud lauded Dynamite News for its unbiased and fearless journalism. He said that in today's era, independent journalism is a great challenge, one that Dynamite News is meeting remarkably well. He congratulated Chairperson Rani Tibrewal, Editor-in-Chief Manoj Tibrewal Akash, and encouraged the entire team to continue working with dedication and excellence. Dr. Chandrachud said that women working in Dynamite News are talented and full of energy. It is a remarkable example of growing gender equality in India. Dr. Chandrachud concluded with a message for the media fraternity and youth. Knowledge, balance, and health are the three pillars of continuous progress.
For the cause of spreading correct information, of making our citizens and global humanity well informed about current affairs, about the history of the nation, and about the way the nation is and must go forward. So I do believe that Manoj Tibrewal, who has created such a beautiful and powerful organization, with the support, of course, of Rani, who is the chairperson. This is not a case where behind every successful man there is a woman, but behind every successful woman there is a man. And this is really a sign of the changing times. I'm delighted to see the number of young women who are part of this organization. Which is not to say that we discriminate against men, but that there is true equality and beyond, and we recognize the immense talent and potential of the women to serve the nation and take the nation to the next high level. So I bless you all.
Earlier, young journalists present at the event eagerly took his autograph on his well-known book Why the Constitution Matters and clicked pictures with him. Editor-in-Chief Manoj Tibrewal Akash expressed gratitude for the former CJI's visit, calling it a moment of pride and inspiration for our institution, reflecting his humility, greatness and towering personality.
मैं यह फील करता हूँ कि कंट्री में मैं जिन जीवित दो लोगों को देखा, डॉक्टर कलाम और डॉक्टर चंद्रचूड़, यही दो लोग हैं जिनको आम जनता इतना प्यार देती है, और सर इतने बिजी कि हम लोग फॉर्चुनेट हैं कि हम लोग को ब्लेसिंग्स सर की मिलती है। तो सर ऑलवेज हम लोगों को यंग जर्नलिस्ट को पूरे देश को आपको गाइड करते रहे, युवा पीढ़ी को सर, बस यही बात।
Among those present on the occasion were senior journalist Dr. Bharat Agarwal, chief spokesperson of Swami Ramdev and Patanjali Yogpeeth, S.K. Tijarawala, Akhil Ramaswamy Nadiminti, Pawan Rai and Padmanabh Sharma. Bureau Report, Dynamite News, New Delhi.